French food is known globally for its refined techniques and flavors. One of the more well-known dishes is ratatouille. Originally from Nice, this dish differs slightly between regions, but ultimately stays as a stewed vegetable meal. To make this, start by mincing some garlic and chopping an onion, and then you're going to shred a carrot. Once you're done all that, you're going to add all the ingredients to a pan with some olive oil and saute it for a little bit. Then you're going to add some crushed tomatoes with basil, parsley, salt, and pepper. Mix that up really well, and then let it sit and simmer. While that simmers on low, you're going to cut an eggplant in half and then slice it into thin slices. You're going to do the same thing with 2 zucchinis and 4 Roma tomatoes. You can do this process with a knife, but I find that a mandolin is a lot easier. With the sauce done, you're going to pour it into a baking dish. If you have a big dish, pour it all in, and if you're like me, just split it between 2. And then it's time for assembly. Layer the eggplant, zucchini, and tomatoes to cover all of the sauce and the entire dish, and then you're going to drizzle some olive oil and salt over the top. This dish is simple to make, but it's so filling and flavorful. I highly recommend trying this dish for yourself. Let me know how you enjoy it, and I will see you next time. Bye!